Resetting password. If you're unable to log into your SCW Online account, you can reset your SCW Online password. However, if you share an email address with someone else who is using the email address for their SCW Online account, you may not be able to log in and you will not be able to reset the password. You should make sure that you are the only person using your email address to log in. You can contact us by phone to change your email address. Enter your email address and click Send. Password reminders can take up to 30 minutes to arrive in your email inbox, so you will need to contact us if you have not received anything. You should check your junk spam inbox as it may get sent there. You can select the Reset Password link or copy and paste the URL from the email into your browser. Passwords will need to be a minimum of 8 characters. Passwords will need to be combined of uppercase and lowercase letters with a combination of a special character or number. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, click Reset and you should be able to sign in.